Hello student, welcome to Biology Lessons with Soumi. Today we are going to discuss food preservation. Food preservation. What is food preservation? A process by which certain food like fruits and vegetables are prevented from getting spoiled for a long period of time. The color, taste and nutritive value of the food is also preserved. When you keep fruits, vegetables or leftover dal in the refrigerator or in a cool place, will this be called food preservation? No, because you can store fruits and vegetables or leftover dal in this state for a few days only. The definition of food preservation states that the preserved food should retain their color and taste. This means that the color and taste of food which is present at the time of preservation should not change. Importance of food preservation. Important and vital in the food industry due to a number of social, psychological and health factors. Increases the shelf life of food. Retain the quality of food, color, texture, flavor and nutritional value. Increases food supply, adds variety to the food, decreases waste of food and make food available throughout the year. Food spoilage and preservation techniques. Food preservation process to prevent edible items from getting spoiled. Principle of food preservation. Preventing microbes in preserved food, removal of microorganisms, inhibiting microbial growth, killing microbes, microbial enzyme deactivation. Food preservation method. This food preservation method is done by 3 steps: biological, physical and chemical. Physical includes filtration, heat treatment, drying and pasteurization. Chemical, using chemical preservatives, acids. Sterilization. Food product filled in sealed containers are exposed to temperature above 100 degrees centigrade. Temperature above 100 degrees centigrade usually ranging from 110 to 121 degrees centigrade depending on the type of product. Heat must be reached inside the product. Products are kept for a defined period time at temperature level required for the sterilization. It depends the type of product and size of the container. Thermal processing. Thermal processing is defined as the combination of temperature and time required to eliminate a desired number of microorganisms from a food product. The term thermal refers to the process involving heat. Heating food is an effective way of preserving. The basic purpose for the thermal processing of food is to reduce or destroy microbial activity, reduce or destroy enzyme activity, and produce physical and chemical changes. To make the food meet a certain canning. Canning is the process of heating the product at a specific temperature for a specific length of time. Pasteurization. Vacuum sealing the pasteurized food in a special glass jars. Fruits, vegetables, meats, seafood and some prepared foods. Home methods versus the industrial food. Drying. Reduced moisture content prevents spoilage microbes from growing, as well as enzymatic and chemical reactions. Taste, appearance and nutritive value not preserved the way they are with canning or freezing. It makes good snacks. Dried foods conserve storage space. Pickling is the process of soaking food in a solution of containing salt, acid or alcohol. It can be used with most foods. Most method require no special equipment. However, pickled food can be unsafe. It prepared carelessly and stored at room temperature. Pickling is often combined with another method such as fermenting, canning, or just refrigerating. Food irradiation. It is safe, a type of food preservation. Irradiation. Food is exposed to a controlled amount of radiation for a specific time. Destroy organisms that would cause spoilage. Amount of radiation measured in grays. More radiation, the greater the preservative effect. Pasteurization. In pasteurization, heat treatment is given that kills most but not all microorganisms. Example, milk 63 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, 72 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Juice is given 77 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes and 88 degrees centigrade for 30 seconds. The pasteurized products are cooled promptly after the heat treatment. Products that can be pasteurized: foods, butter, cheese, cream, sour cream, yogurt, ice cream, nuts, sauerkraut, eggs, lobster meat, crab meat. Liquids: milk, honey, vinegar, fruit juices, cider, lemon juice. Refrigeration. By keeping food at low temperature. Refrigeration and freezing are probably the most popular forms in food preservation. Today, in refrigeration, the bacterial action on the food is slowed down. It takes a week or two to spoil. In freezing, bacterial action on the food is stopped. Bacteria are completely inactive if frozen. Chemical methods. Vinegar, salt, sugar, and wood smoke have been used for many centuries as preservatives. Vinegar, acetic acid, is used in pickling. The strong acid solution prevents the growth of microorganisms. Salt, such as sodium chloride, is used for meat and fish in a solution. Brine, or to coat the food. It reduces the moisture content of the food. Sugar is used in jams, canning, and dried fruit in high concentration. It prevents bacteria from growing. Other chemicals method include the addition of antioxidants, sulfur dioxide, and nitrates. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.